everyone! Welcome to my channel. And nagtanong ako sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyong makeup look na makita. And survey says, it's a graduation makeup look. Siguro marami talaga sa inyo graduate. So, here we go. Well, congratulations. Well, along this makeup tutorial, chika tayo. Without further ado, let's jump right to it. So before anything else, I will moisturize my skin with this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This has been like my moisturizer before makeup, especially before I do, my makeup tutorials. Kasi magaan siya, hindi siya oily. And it's important also for you to use non-oily moisturizers. Kasi, okay, real talk. So graduation, you'll be waiting a lot. You will be waiting for a very long time. Nababanggitin lahat ng kaklase mo at hindi mo kaklase. And ang hihintayin mo lang naman talaga sa graduation ay matawag yung pangalan mo at makuha mo yung diploma, makapagpa-picture with your parents, and that's it. Real talk. If you ask me kung naiyak ba ako nung graduation, to be honest, hindi. Pero mas naiyak ako nung baccalaureate mass kasi parang, okay, it's sinking in na, okay, this is it. I'm about to graduate. So, wait, for the foundation, I'm going to use Max Factor, the Healthy Skin Harmony. This is in Crystal Beige, just in case it's super dark. Well, obviously, super dark nito. This is in the shade Caramel, also a yellow tone shade. And promising yung shade niya for me, so I'm going to try this out today. Graduation is fun kasi dun lang talaga magsisink in na, okay, I'm really going to this chapter in my life na seryoso na, hindi na ako pwedeng magloko. This is work, this is my future. I should not fuck this up. When you do have that realization, talagang, maiiyak ka kasi you'll be going through the nights na pinag-pre-ata mo yung thesis mo or lahat ng pinagdaanan mo talaga, di ba? So, ang masasuggest ko, kailangan lang talaga yung makeup nyo medyo long-lasting kasi nga you'll be standing or you'll be sitting, you'll be waiting for a long time. And then set, of course, your face with powder. You can use loose powder. You can use pressed powder if you want. I'm going to use the La Mer translucent powder kasi I've always been using the Wonder 2. But now I'm going to try this out because it looks really nice. And I've been using this for my touch-ups. But of course, you don't have to strictly use this powder. Pwede kang gumamit ng, again, loose powder. Like Maybelline pressed powders din. Or, ano ba yung mga translucent powder? LA Curl. For me, use a translucent powder than a powder with coverage, like pressed powder. Kasi diba may tint or may kulay yun. Para hindi kayo gaano maglalangis. For the brows, I'm going to use a Tony Moly Love the Eyebrow Pencil. This is not expensive at all. So, pwede kayong gumamit ng pencil or powder or whatever you desire. Pero for me, kung gagawin niyo yung sarili niyong makeup, mas madaling gumamit ng pencil. At mas mabilis pa. I love this pencil kasi ang dali niyang gamitin. And pigmented pa siya. At saka, long-lasting siya. I mean, decent talaga yung longevity niya. So all you have to do is just blend it with the spoolie that comes with it. And just follow the natural shape or the natural guide of your brows in your brow bone. I did my other brow off-cam, and ngayon diretso tayo sa eyeshadow. The concept of the colors of the eyeshadow that I'm thinking about is, it can be like a subtle smoky with the use of mauvey, dark brown colors. I'm going to use the Roman palette, and as long as you stick to the colors or any eyeshadow palette that's similar to this, then it will work. Going to wash, you know the washing of lids technique. I'm going to do it with this color, the light brown. So, simulan natin dito sa crease. And kung kaya ko as much as possible, I'm going to use one brush as much as possible. Now we're going to this shade. And I'm going to apply this on the outer parts or parang sa bandang crease. As you can see, I'm creating this parang dome dito above my crease. Just to make my eyes look bigger and more awake. You can already see the colors building up. Now I'm going to add the darker brown. And this will go really right on the corners lang talaga. And you want to really just put it there on the outer V of your eyes. It's just about layering the colors choosing the right colors first para hindi kayo nabubura ng kulay. So start with the lightest shade, going darker. And then if you need another brush for highlight, then use another brush or you can use your finger. For the highlight, I'm going to use this shade. And gagamitan ko lang siya ng daliri. And I'm going to press it on the center of my lids. It's shimmery and sort of glittery, pero hindi siya overly, glittery. Now, we're going to the eyeliner. Sa eyeliner, I'm going to use a pencil. And it's going to be dark brown again. Because I don't want it to be overly, parang overly dark. So I'm going to use this. This is the McQueen New York waterproof pencil. This is a Korean brand as well. And I'm just going to draw this on my waterline. Sobrang dali. Again, lalo na kung gagawin yung makeup nyo for the first time, pencil is a lot easier than liquid eyeliners. Pag sa pencil kasi, hindi ako sanay ng yun lang, ganun na yun. Doon na nagtatapos ang lahat. I always blend it para maganda yung gradation niya. So I'm just going to use a tiny brush just to diffuse and smudge the edges. And I know that a lot of you, if not all, then majority of you will go for the false eyelashes, which is good. Just choose a natural looking lashes. Especially kung first time nyo, kung hindi kayo sanay. I go for something like very light to the medium thickness. But for me, for now, I'm going to try this heroin make. Actually, this doesn't work on me. Pero bibigyan ko siya ng second chance and let's see how this works. For me, that's the beauty of using a brown liner. Kahit na natural lashes mo lang na naka-mascara, it will look okay. Unlike kapag black liner, nakitang-kita mo talaga na may eyeliner. So, mas maganda na meron kang false eyelashes para, alam niyo, para mas magmukha siyang natural tignan. Kasi kapag kitang-kita yung eyeliner, parang alam mo, uy, naka-eyeliner siya. Pero kung may lashes kasi, parang illusion na ibibigay niya is thicker and fuller lashes. And then, what I'm going to do dito sa lower rim of my eyes, I'm just going to use the same highlight shade na ginamit ko. So, this one, and maybe this pink one, dito sa ilalim. Because if I put a darker shade of eyeshadow, mag-aano siya, lalaki siya na awkward tignan yung pagkalaki niya kasi, gets niyo ba yun? Kasi wala nga akong false eyelashes. Pero kung meron, mas maganda. And just apply it on the inner corner. Same with the nose contour, we want to keep the face contour very subtle din, di ba? Para matchy sila. So I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Victoria Beckham bronzer. This is very, light. Also has that warm color. So it's more of a bronzer than a contour. But I'm just going to lightly brush this on the side of my face. Like so. Para lang, again, hindi rin sobrang flat ng face. And of course, on the other side. You know why I want to keep this as light for you guys? Kasi, college, you would still consider yourself young. I mean, you still have a long way to go, diba? And I want you to feel not cringy when you go back to your older pictures. Kasi personally speaking, when I go back to my older pictures, pag nakikita ko yung sarili ko, parang ang heavy ng makeup ko, parang, oh girl, you're trying so hard. Ganun yung reaction ko. But when I go back to my older pictures na ang fresh lang ng makeup ko, which is the same case with my recent Instagram post, which is like this one right here. This is very light makeup kasi this is like a play shoot lang with my photographer friend. Light lang yung makeup ko. Spiky! Sorry, Spiky's like going crazy. As I was saying, when I went back to that picture, I was like, oh my gosh, ang fresh ko dito. And I want you to feel the same way too. So I want you guys to really just make it as fresh as possible because you will thank me later. Trust me. So for the blush, I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach because I just, again, want to make it as subtle and as peachy as possible for you guys. And I'm just going to brush it on, not really on the apples of my cheeks, more of like on the center, right beside my nose. Blending it downward. Ay, siya talaga. Nako. Lesson learned to for me. That's why ngayon, I want to keep it Magaan. Siguro pag tumatanda na talaga, gusto laging magaan na lang yung mukha. Hindi na ako pala false eyelashes na mabibigat. Hindi na rin ako pala eyeliner na super dark. You will really evolve, and I just want to share this technique with you guys because again, it's a timeless technique. If you want to stay very classy and classy looking, and classy doesn't really mean you have to use expensive products. You can use substitute for everything that I'm using right now. You can use Everbilena if you want. You can use Caroline if you want. You can use the cheaper products as long as you know how to use them. And being classy is not really on the outside. It's the way you carry it. It's the way you present yourself. The word classy is in the attitude. It's in the personality. It's not really, the brands that you're wearing. It's the way you talk. It's the way you act. Sa lips naman, pwede kayo mag-mauve color. Like yung kaninang shade na pinakita ko. Pwede rin kayo mag-nudes. Pero nude kasi will somehow make you look mature. So I prefer younger colors like baby pink. But this kind of baby pink, hindi siya bright na magmumukhang tacky. So I'm going to use this Intense Matte in the shade Kiss ng Nude Sticks. Pwede siya sa cheek, pwede rin naman siya sa lips. And maganda rin siya sa lips. Okay lang din naman na hindi rin ganun ka-long lasting lipstick na gamitin nyo kasi hindi naman kayo gagalaw ng sobra. Hindi rin naman kayo kakain sa graduation ceremony. So, okay lang naman na kahit ano. Pwedeng cream, pwedeng glossy. But the thing is, yung hairstyle natin mamaya, nakalugay. So, ayaw nyo namang mag-lip gloss ng nakalugay. And then I'm just going to blend it with my finger. I already changed to my outfit and then naglagay na rin ako ng pearls for my accessories. I think pearls will be the perfect accessory kasi you will look professional, you will look na ready na kayo sa next chapter in your lives. And then for my dress naman, it's actually like a simple cocktail dress. Actually hanggang tuhod siya, lagpas tuhod, but it's nice. And actually, kahit ano naman, pwede niyong isuot, to be honest. Unless may dress code kayo, then follow the dress code. Pero kung wala, you can wear anything underneath kasi matatakpan naman siya ng toga. And then with the hair, ang advice ko, nakalugay kasi meron kayong toga. It's not advisable for you to wear that high hairdos kasi haharang sa toga. And enjoy. Congratulations to all graduates of 2018. You've done it! Finally! Give yourselves a round of applause. Of course, isa rin kailangan nyo pasalamatan at huwag nyong kakalimutan yung mga nagpaaral sa inyo. Your parents, your guardians, probably yourself. Thank yourself if you're a working student na ikaw ang nagtaguyod sa sarili mo, sa pag-aaral mo. But don't forget to thank the people na nagdala sa inyo at sacrifice, nagtrabaho para makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral. And that's very important. I'd like to see you do this, recreate this by tagging me on Instagram at Raiza Contawi. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter at Raiza Contawi as well. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to also subscribe and get notified para pag may iba akong videos, you'll be the first ones to watch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all and I'll see you next time. Bye!